Hello everyone, it's Almamay Bernales. Joran and I will walk you through the features of Interlink system. So we will simulate how an employer and the candidate will use the system. So I'll start first with the employer side and Joran will do the candidate side. So now let's create an account to the site by going to the sign up page and click employer, then the company name, email, and then password. So verification link will be sent to the email so here's the verification link and then we click this to verify the account. So after verifying the account, we can now log into the site. So this is the home page of our employer account. Now let's go to the profile of our company, then edit. So we could also write a description. Then save. We could also edit the profile picture. Okay, so we now have the profile picture of our company. Now for the posting of internship jobs, we have here the manage jobs module. So we can create new job posting, internship for accounting department, for example. And I have prepared here a sample job description. And you can also edit the formatting of this. Okay, so for the job category, we have accounting. So we may type the job category itself. For the skills, we can have many skills to write here. MS Word, MS Excel, clerical skills. And for the province, we can write Cebu, Taho, Salinas, Grant. And lastly, we fill up the application deadline. And that's it. We have now a new internship job posting. For the managed applications, since we don't have any applications yet, so there are no records found. So I'll turn you over to Sir Duran for the demo on the features of candidates pages. Now that Joran has already applied for our internship job posting, we can find the application here in the Manage Applications module. So we could download his resume and accept him for interview or reject him. So let's download his resume first. Okay, so after reading his resume, we can accept the application. Okay, so the application has already been accepted for interview, and let's check his email. So an email was also sent to notify that he has been invited for interview by the company which he has applied for.